I grabbed this thing, hit record, and within the first 5 minutes I realized something. The Insta360 X5 isn't just another action camera. It's the kind of gadget that makes you question why you've been filming the hard way this whole damn time. Because while everyone else is stressing about camera angles, framing, and whether they're even recording the right shot, the X5 is sitting there like, relax dumbass, I got everything. And honestly, that's a pretty badass way to shoot videos. Yo, what's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the place where fake influencer hype gets exposed, overpriced tech bullshit gets absolutely cooked, and companies trying to recycle old garbage as innovation get called out like the greedy little assholes they are. And yeah, if you're thinking about grabbing the Insta360 X5, I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit out after the video. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and all that good shit, because this channel stays raw, uncensored, and brutally honest. No fake hype, no sponsored bullshit, no influencers pretending every action camera suddenly makes them an Oscar-winning filmmaker. Today we're talking about the Insta360 X5, and holy f***, this thing is an absolute monster. Let's be honest, action cameras have gotten kinda predictable. Better resolution, slightly better battery, a few software tricks. Then they slap a new number on the box and expect everybody to lose their minds. Same old shit. The X5 actually feels like a genuine upgrade, and that's refreshing. The biggest reason people buy this thing is obvious. 360 degrees. You don't point the camera, you just hit record. It captures literally everything around you. Front, back, left, right, above, below, everything. And once you experience that freedom, going back to a normal action camera feels like voluntarily making your life harder. Seriously. No more stopping every 5 minutes because you're worried the camera isn't facing the right direction. No more missing the perfect shot because you are looking the wrong way. You record first, choose the angles later. Now let's talk image quality, because none of those fancy features mean a damn thing if the footage looks terrible. Thankfully, the X5 absolutely delivers. The footage is ridiculously sharp, colors look rich without being overcooked. Dynamic range is impressive, everything just looks clean. Whether you're filming mountain biking, road trips, travel vlogs, snowboarding, motorcycles, or your buddy doing something incredibly stupid, the footage comes out looking cinematic. And that's dangerous, because suddenly every random walk through the park starts looking like the opening scene of a Netflix documentary. Now, stabilization? Holy shit. I honestly think Insta360 has some kind of black magic hidden inside this camera. You can run, jump, ride a bike, throw it on a motorcycle, film while making absolutely terrible life decisions. And somehow, the footage still comes out smoother than your friend's pickup lines. It's honestly ridiculous. Years ago, you'd need a gimbal, expensive gear, and a whole production crew to get shots this stable. Now, you stick this thing on a selfie stick and let technology do the heavy lifting. Speaking of selfie sticks, the invisible selfie stick effect still blows people's minds. Every single time. People watch your footage and immediately ask, where the f*** is the stick? That's the beauty of it. There isn't one. Well, there is. You just can't see it. It creates drone-like shots without needing a drone. Now let's talk durability. Because action cameras are supposed to get abused, the X5 is built for exactly that. Rain? No problem. Dust? Whatever. Mud? Send it. Water? This thing feels like it actually wants you to stop treating it like a museum piece and start using the damn thing. Even better, the lenses are replaceable. Bro, finally. Anybody who's ever scratched a 360 camera lens knows that soul-crushing feeling. Instead of replacing the whole camera, you can replace the damaged lens. That's one of those features that doesn't sound exciting. Here's the real truth. The Insta360 X5 isn't for everyone. If all you're doing is filming your lunch and posting one Instagram story every weekend, this is probably complete overkill. Slow the fuck down, asshole. But if you're a creator, a traveler, a biker, a skier, a filmmaker, or somebody who genuinely loves capturing moments from every possible angle, this thing is absolutely incredible. I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit. If this review helped you out, hit like, drop a comment telling me what crazy adventure you'd film first, and subscribe for more real, uncensored, no bullshit tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. Until then, peace the f*** out.